Welcome to video 61 as we navigate the changing financial landscape of April 26. Many buyers are sitting on the sidelines waiting for mortgage rates to hit that 5% mark. However, our AI data at findmyhomenow.com shows that waiting might actually cost you more in the long run. As rates slowly ease, competition increases, which often drives home prices much higher than your interest savings. The real strategy in today's market is using predictive analytics to find homes with hidden equity potential. Our platform identifies neighborhoods that are poised for growth before the general public even notices the trend. By buying in a high-growth area now, you gain equity that far outweighs a 0.5% difference in your rate. You can always refinance your mortgage later if rates drop, but you can never go back and buy at today's price. We help you look past the headlines and focus on the data that actually builds long-term generational wealth. Visit the link in my bio to see which neighborhoods our AI is flagging for massive growth this month.